The throne of grace is ablaze with glory. The heavens are trembling, and my spirit is descending like fire upon all who dare to believe. Lay your burdens at my feet, and do not come timidly, for I am the all-powerful, unshakable Lord of hosts, who commands legions of angels. I have heard your cries, so get ready because the heavens are opening, and my power is being released upon you like a powerful rushing wind. The Spirit of the Lord thunders, ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find, knock, and the door will be opened to you. December will represent a significant turning point in your life. Dreams that had been postponed are now coming true, and promises that appeared postponed are finally being realized. The following 6 months will be supernatural. This is your time for spiritual assistance. Heavens declare your breakthrough loudly. Even though your eyes may not be able to perceive it yet, your spirit is aware of it. Can you sense it? The wind of my spirit is whispering victory, and I tell you that this is your breakthrough season. The enemy has attacked because he knows that a blessing so great will come that it will crush every lie he has ever spoken over your life. Don't you dare lose heart. I am fighting for you, breaking every chain, destroying every stronghold, and your victory is not a possibility, it is a certainty. Before this month is out, I will give you a reason to celebrate. Not just any celebration, but a victory that will silence all doubt and mockery. November is a month of extraordinary healing. I am mending wounds, restoring fortunes, and elevating you to places where you were once cast down. My spirit is moving powerfully, trembling the foundations of every challenge in your life. The sound of triumph fills the winds of heaven, and you are about to ascend into places of glory you could never have imagined. My hand is upon you, and my favor envelops you like a shield. Get ready, my child, because the impossible is happening. Watch this through to the very end. This is your month, if you think I am the Lord, your God-favorite kid. December marks the beginning of an astonishing breakthrough, as well as the end of a chapter. Get ready for December, which will bring miracles, fresh starts, and unfathomable joy. This month will rewrite your story, and you will witness healing that is beyond human comprehension. I, the Lord, am giving you courage, strength, confidence, patience, self-love, and inner peace. You will enter this month with courage, and every day will be a testament to my goodness. Overflow of money and spiritual growth. I'm saying that nothing will stay the same in your life. The hopes you carried in solitude and the prayers you expressed through tears are being answered. All significant breakthroughs are imminent, and you are only a few steps away from the dreams I have placed in your heart. Be calm and know that I am God. This is not the time to strive for or pursue what already exists. Everything is falling into place according to divine order. Your destiny is not something to be sought, but rather something to be received with faith and patience. If the path seems pushed, it is not the one I have planned for you. Trust me, my child, and allow me to lead you to the abundant life I have promised you. You made it through this year not by accident, but by grace. You will get through the next year, not by your own strength, but by my provision. I have seen your tears, heard your cries, and felt your pain. Now allow me to mend your wounds and fill your heart with peace. Do not give up. I am with you. I am arranging opportunities and blessings to enter your life at the right time. Rise today with the knowledge that I, your God, am battling for you and paving the way where none was. I am your refuge, your strength, and your provider. Put your complete trust in me. Your difficult time is ending with unfathomable grace and joy. God says that a glorious new dawn is approaching. Something extraordinary is about to unfold, like the birth of a long-awaited promise. Beyond the storms and ashes of your struggles lies a radiant new beginning. If you trust me and receive this word, I am making everything new. Keep believing because amazing outcomes are closer than you think. God knows that your journey has been difficult and that you have faced many obstacles, but he assures you that he has seen every tear, heard every prayer, and moved heaven on your behalf. Even during your darkest moments, he has stood by your side, shielding you with his love and covering you with his shame. You are not alone. God is with you, and you will soon experience restoration. When uncertainty clouds your heart, remember God's promise in Jeremiah 29:1 that he has plans to prosper you, not to harm you, and to give you hope in the future. This season of sorrow is bringing about unspeakable joy, because God has prepared for you something beyond what your mind can comprehend, beyond what you've dared to hope for or dream of. You can fully trust him for his plans because you are exceedingly and abundantly above all you could ever imagine. You are on the brink of a divine metamorphosis, even when the path ahead appears uncertain. Know that God's love for you is limitless, and his purpose for your life is unwavering. Stay close to God and lean into his presence as he prepares your soul for this amazing season of new beginnings. Even as you read this, God's Spirit is causing a change in your life. What God is about to do in your life will overshadow the suffering of your past and the glory he will reveal. Through you will shine so brightly that the shadows of yesterday will vanish. Financial innovations, miracle cures, and innovative concepts. You are surrounded like a shield by divine guidance and calm that beyond all comprehension is being released into your atmosphere favor. Doors are opening and opportunities are flooding in, typing 333 and claiming it. For this is your season. God is working powerfully on your behalf, and the winds of heaven are blowing. Trust, believe, and accept. It's done, sweet child. Have you ever questioned why you haven't been able to manifest? Simply said, you need something different if you're a spiritual person, hoping to improve both your life and the lives of others near to you. The Southwest, listen carefully to this message. In less than 7 days, after hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to draw money and abundance into your life. This biblical 1-minute prayer brings prosperity and plenty into your life. Would you like it? Click the link below to know the wealth secrets of divine prayer to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Open your eyes. Mighty warrior of God, the shift is here. The chains are breaking, and the heavens are roaring with your victory. You may not see it with your natural eyes, but everything in your life is transforming. Every tear you cried has watered the ground for your harvest. Every battle you fought has strengthened you for this moment. The pain you endured was the furnace refining you into pure gold. God has declared that beauty will rise from these ashes, and his promise cannot fail. The enemy came to steal, kill, and destroy. But your God is turning it all for your good. Get ready, because you're about to step into blessings, so overwhelmed and you won't have room enough to contain them. Everything you desire, everything you've been praying for in the secret place is coming into alignment with God's divine will call to me, and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things, which you do not know. Your breakthrough is not just near, it's here. Heaven is releasing favor that will chase you down and overtake you. That sickness, he is healing that lack and replacing it with abundance. And the overflow of his love is overwhelming that loneliness. Today, Jesus tells you not to allow the enemy to sow doubt or fear, because my mercies are new every morning. My goodness knows no bounds. I owe you nothing, but I have given you everything. Approach my throne boldly with a humble heart, and watch as I demonstrate my strength in your life. The Lord is near to those who have broken hearts, and those who have a contrite spirit are saved. Your main weapon is faith, and your point of access to the supernatural is worship. Here, God's child, the fire of my spirit is igniting your life. I am bringing beauty from the ashes, gladness for grieving, and praise for despair through every chain, falsehood, and challenge. If you know that the victory is already yours, then this is the time for your divine comeback. Believe it, accept it, and boldly walk into the fullness of your destiny. The heavens are open, the angels are moving, and your blessing is being delivered. Prepare for it, expect it, and it is done. Shout, "Jesus is Lord." Prepare yourself, because what is about to happen in your life will upend everything you believed you knew. This is the point at which divine power and your destiny will collide, resulting in a supernatural encounter that will propel you into your breakthrough. The Lord is working on your behalf in ways you have never seen before, and by the end of this month, God will manifest His promises in your life in such an unquestionable way that you will be left in awe. You will not only witness change, you will be the living testimony of a miracle. God has seen everything you've done in faith, including every tear you've shed, every prayer you've murmured, and He is now prepared to reward you in a way that will astound you. The skies are aligning, and God is going to send someone into your life who is a divine connector. This person will hold the key to your next level of blessing and will completely alter your current reality. This divine moment will alter the trajectory of your entire life. This is the time when you've been waiting for the encounter that will open doors that have been locked for years. God is reminding you that nothing is too difficult for you today. He is limitless and specializes in the impossible. The mountains that have been in your way will now fall before you. The chains that have bound you are being broken. This is the season of your unstoppable rise. God has seen your suffering, your struggles, and your sacrifices, and now He is going to appear in a way that will cause the enemy to shudder. You are going to undergo a profound change that will make everyone around you realize that only God could have accomplished this. This is the moment for your breakthrough. Get ready for an explosion of favor, for doors to swing wide open, and for your life to be permanently changed by His power. If you think that God is going to wow you with His favor, then expect the extraordinary. Expect divine favor, and expect the unthinkable to become achievable. The best is still to come. God, I am grateful that You have given me life and joy, and have led me along the correct path of salvation and serenity. I love you, and I appreciate you viewing and supporting our channel. Click subscribe to receive updates on new videos first.